Hello viewers, today we are going to deal with the function of escape key. It's very important to know the function of each keys because we are dealing with the keyboard, or we are going to learn how to operate a computer without a mouse. So knowing purpose of each key is very important. So today we are going to deal with the function of a escape key. Basically, this escape key is used to skip from a dialog box. You may think, what is dialog box? Dialog box is nothing but it's a communication between the user and the computer. I'll show you few dialog boxes. Let us start. First, I'm going to show you a shutdown dialog box. For that purpose, you have to press Windows D once to bring your focus into desktop. After that, you have to hold Alt key and then press F4. It means hold Alt key and then press function key F4. Then you will get a dialog box like this. It is communicating with us. What do you want the computer to do? There we have few options like shutdown, sleep mode, sign out, switch user and so on. But we will deal with these things later. How to navigate on a dialog box, all those things will be introduced in the upcoming classes. For today we are going to deal with how this escape key will work on a dialog box. If I press escape key, this dialog box will vanish from the desktop. So this is the function of a escape key. Let us deal with few more dialog box. For this purpose, I am going to open MS Word. For that, first you have to open a run dialog box because we are dealing with keyboard. First hold window key and then press R. Then you will get a run dialog box. There you can type WinWord, WINWORD. Then press enter key. So Office 2007 is opening up. Okay, now you can see a new document is opened. MS Office 2007. This is Microsoft Word 2007. Here, if you press Ctrl D, you can see a font dialog box. So it's communicating with us to make some changes to the font. If you press escape key, even this dialog box will also vanish from this Microsoft Word. And again, suppose if you press window R unknowingly, automatically the run dialog box will appear. If you want to escape from this run dialog box, just press escape key. The run dialog box will vanish from the screen. So in this way you can use escape key. Dear viewers, please subscribe to my channel. I know all of you know computers and all of you are well in that, but still I am introducing you to a new world, that is computer without mouse. We are working on computer only based on keyboard keys. So please enable your bell icon, then you will get notifications of new videos. Please subscribe and share.